please come to Devoted on the 19th of October. Tickets are £20 and that includes refreshments and food.
We'll have guest speaker Deborah Green from Redeeming Our Communities. You can get your tickets after the service or on our website. See you there.
And I hold true to the one who breaks my fall.
If you're new to church here at Excel, then we'd love you to come and join us for a coffee and cakes evening, which will be on Saturday the 9th of November, starting at 6 p.m. So we invite you to come along, get to know the leadership and the vision of Excel Church and find out how you can serve here as well. Come and join us for coffee and cakes. Make sure you let us know so that we can get enough cake for you.
You never give up, you never give up on me. Oh, what joy I found because of your love for me.
Young adults, listen up, because this notice here is just for you. If you like coffee, which I'm sure you do, and you like hanging out with some people, which I'm sure you do, then why not come and hang out with us at Costa Coffee at Castlegate on Thursday the 3rd of October from 6:30 p.m. Just a chance for you to hang out with some people your own age and enjoy some lovely coffee. So that's the 3rd of October from 6:30.
Through the power of sacrifice, from death now raised to life again. Oh my God, so good. You never give up, you never give up.
Remember, there's no 6 p.m. service here at Excel tonight because we're taking the service over at St Paul's in Gornal. So we invite you to join us over there at 6 p.m. And next Sunday evening, we're going to be joined by Andy David from World of Worth. So come along, be inspired by the work that he's doing, and we'll see you next Sunday for more Excel News.